And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create the Predator effect. It's from the movie Predator and the option is actually called that. So let's go to Filters, Artistic, and there you'll find it. The Predator menu is fairly easy. Check all the boxes first and confirm it. It should run smoothly. So it creates a new layer on top. Let me delete it. And now we show the menu. If you go too high with the edge amount, you might get a warning message. I've had it on multiple photos. The layer is still there, but it might not be visible, so double click on this eye icon and you can see it. But it's not perfectly created, so if you get a warning message, just go low with the edge amount. Let me get rid of the pixelation. So this is the second slider. It doesn't have an impact now anymore. And you can see it almost looks the same. So having a low pixelation doesn't have that much of an impact. But let me make it high. Now we check the box. Well, let me go to like, I don't know, 10, 11. And now you can see it has a very high impact. So for most photos you want to keep it low or even uncheck the box so that you have results like this. On this is how you can create the Predator effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.